I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare and grill a perfect bone-in rib steak. So the rib steak here, I unwrap it from the original package, and I wrap it in a clean kitchen towel. You can see, look at that beautiful steak, nice and dry. Beautiful, that's what we want. Look at that nice and dry steak. So the reason why I wrap it overnight in the clean kitchen towel, because when you buy the package from the store, most of us think it's a blood, the red liquid, which is, it's not a blood, this is the liquid protein. It's called myoglobin, I believe. So we dehydrate it overnight. Now we're gonna rehydrate it with the marinade we're gonna make. So I have here olive oil, and I'm gonna add Montreal steak spice, and this one pretty much has everything. Has the coarse salt, the pepper, dehydrated onion, and the citric acid. Is everything in this one here. And I'm gonna add smoked paprika as well, and I'm adding a horseradish. Let's mix it very well. Perfect. Now let's rehydrate our steak. So pretty much we're gonna paste all the steak. And we're gonna do the other side as well. Perfect amount for both steak. Now with this trick here, to wrap it in the clean kitchen towel overnight in the fridge to get as much as the protein liquid out from the steak. So now I'm gonna let it rest 45 minutes. I'm going to fire up the grill and we'll take it from there. So the temperature reached 300 Celsius, and it's time to grill that beautiful rib steak. Now you cook it for 2 minutes, and then you're gonna turn it 45 degrees, but you change the spot. So 45 degrees, you change the spot, and you cook it for another 2 minutes. Oh boy, look at that beautiful grill mark. And of course they say you rest your steak for a few minutes before you start eating. But with this mouth-watering steak, who's gonna wait 5 minutes? Oh my God, so tender. And look at inside. Beautiful, medium, the way I want it. Full of flavor, super tender, mouth-watering steak. Now you know how to prepare and grill perfect steak. So all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.